Guys, what is up? So it's been a while. Let's chat, let's do some makeup, and let's get ready. That's a video you guys want to see, then just keep on watching. My plan for this makeup look, I really want to do like a fall look, fall smoky look. And I want a fall matte look. I really just want a matte eyeshadow look and just kind of smoke it out, and that's why I want a more glowy base, I guess. I'm gonna go in with the Professional Hydrate Primer. Oh my gosh, hopefully. Okay, so the amount of times that I have recorded and not posted, it's annoying. Okay, so I had a problem with my computer, and I've had this problem a couple of times already, so it's very annoying. And my computer storage, I believe it's the storage, it will get full so quick. I don't have like a external, I don't have anything other for storage other than just, my laptop essentially, which I know if I want to film and record and everything that I need to get one, but I haven't. I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, and I have the shade, I want to see if, I don't even think it says it. Oh yes, I have 6.5 nude. Computer has been doing this thing where it just, I don't know, like the memory gets full so quick. And so honestly, none of my videos that I have uploaded on YouTube are saved anywhere other than YouTube, which I know it's like pretty bad, but I don't know, like I said, I've been just being dumb about buying a different like storage system or something for the videos. But if I'm going to be quite honest, I'm not going to use, the other footage or anything. So that's why I've just been deleting everything. That's my mini rant on what's been going on with why I haven't been uploading. I feel kind of rushed, like if I'm rushing, like, but I literally just had 2 cups of coffee, and maybe not the best idea before I try to do makeup and film. Concealer, I'm going to be using this very old dusty crusty Morphe concealer that I probably should throw out, but I haven't. I have the shade C1.65. This is definitely more pink than my foundation. My foundation is very yellow, which is fine. I usually let my concealer sit, but because this concealer feels already dried out, I'm just going to start blending it out. I'm taking some loose powder and setting and baking. Because I did start doing my base first, you obviously, well not obviously, I feel like I'm very messy, so I want to put, shut up. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this big ass palette from Morphe, and this is the Dare to Create eyeshadow palette. This is their 39A. I believe, I'm not sure if this is still available actually, so I really don't know. If I find it, I'll link it down below. If not, listen, the truth is Morphe creates all the same shades, so I'm sure you can find similar shades in other Morphe palettes or in palettes that you already have. So this is what it looks like, just in case you've never seen it. First shade I'm going to take is this one right here. I haven't even told you guys what kind of look I want to go for. Well, I already said I want like a matte look, but I really want like a matte green look. Like I don't know, I don't even know what it would be called. But I feel like this is not the shade I wanted for the crease. I want more like a yellow toned color. Okay, so I'm actually going to take a shade, and I think I'm going to use this one. Definitely want that to peek through the green. I think I'm just going to be bold and go right along in with this shade. Let's just try to put it on. And if it doesn't show up like how I want it to, I'm going to be mad. No, I'm just kidding. We'll add concealer or something. Honestly, I could have just gone in with my P. Louise base, cut the crease, and applied this on top, and I'm sure it would apply it beautifully and you know, better than a dry base. It's like pretty patchy. So I am gonna go into another palette. I was not expecting to do this. Honestly, I've done this look before and it worked out perfectly fine, but I don't know what's going on today. So I'm gonna go into the NARS Climax eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go into this shade right here and pack it on. Honestly, I think it might just be the brush I'm using, but I don't know. It's looking a little funky and I don't, oh, that's definitely not what I wanted. To kind of just tie it all together, I'm gonna add a dark brown because I feel like it, I don't know, it just needs a little bit of something. Let me find a brush. I think I'm just gonna start off with this one and then see from there. Taking that same first brush that we used and with no extra product, just taking the dark brown shade and just blending it all through. You can definitely tell that this shade is pretty freaking patchy and I'm not obsessed with it, but I'm just gonna leave it because if I keep messing with it, Lord knows it's, I don't know, it's gonna get worse. So now I'm just gonna take a brush and wipe away the powder underneath. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Dark Golden Mineralized Powder and bronze it up. I feel like I look crazy with just these dark ass eyeshadows and no bronzer or anything on my face. And then to further bronze, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Bronzer Reloaded bronzer in the shade Long Weekend. And this bronzer is really pretty, but it's very like luminous. So I don't really like it on its own because as you can tell, it has like those golden reflex which look pretty, and your skin, it just gives your skin this healthy glow, but I definitely like to use this with another bronzer, you know. I'm just gonna apply this everywhere else. Do a quick little nose contour. I know, I feel like today I'm using so many products. This is the Milani Silky Matte one. I'm obviously not going to use something super orange because that's just going to look crazy. So I'm going to let that bake for a little bit. And nose contour and contour in general is so personal, so I don't really like to show that. But moving along, for blush, I'm going to take this Natasha Denona blush. And I got this in my BoxyCharm a while ago. The thing with this blush is, it's a blush duo, by the way. It's just, it looks more like a bronzer, but I feel like with this look, it would look perfect. And I'm going to take this one, obviously, and just kind of with my regular blush brush, I think it would actually look perfect with this look. So for highlight, I'm going to be taking the CoverGirl True Blend Summer, Super Stunner Hyper Glow. Looks like this, and it's in the shade Pearl Crush. I've used this a couple of times. It is a really pretty highlight. It's a little light and like, well, it's pretty light. So I don't want to go too ham with it because I have a pretty grungy look. And the icy white highlighter doesn't really go. So I'm just going to kind of blend it out. Quickly just going to curl my eyelashes, apply some mascara, and then we're going to do the lower lash line, apply some falsies, because this part I don't really like to show just because I have, you know, I don't know. So I quickly went off camera, applied some mascara, lashes, did my lower lash line. All I did was use the same shades except the NARS eyeshadow shade. I'm gonna go back into the eyes quick for two final steps, and one is to go in with this white eyeliner. It's their ColourPop Creme Gel Liner. What's this shade? It's called Exit. It's just a white liner, and just to kind of give my eyes that pop and just open it up. If I don't like this, I'll just go back in with like a black or a dark brown. I'm gonna go in with the NARS palette, and I'm taking this one just because it is a little more cool tone, and yes, this will work perfectly fine. I don't know how I feel about this Morphe eyeshadow palette anymore. I used to love it, but I don't know, maybe it's just old and I don't want to get rid of it because it's a big ass palette and I barely have, used it. So I don't know, I just have to try it again maybe. Guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and if you guys did enjoy, please make sure to give me a big old thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.